everybody. I wanted to share with you a lovely little package that I got from my aunts. They always send me something with a little fun, and I thought I need to videotape this. So I haven't opened it yet, but I thought you should enjoy it. So, ooh, you know what? I can't resist it. Oh, the mermaid fun. Anyway, okay. Everything's mermaid themed, right? Yay! Alrighty, so this is what showed up on my door today. Ready? Here we go. Ooh, what could be in here? Mermaid and enchantment tissue paper. What is pencil case? Look at that. Not only mermaid, but holograph. Oh, another, look at that, matching mermaid vibes. Oh, you guys get me so well. Look at that. Oh my gosh, yes, 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 yes. Ooh, oh, look at this. Look at that. I am gonna be totally set here. The whole cosmetic case and everything. What more could a mermaid want? Oh my gosh, there's more. You guys, what in the world? Oh boy. What is this? Mystical. Oh, it's a pen? It's a pen. Oh, it's a pen, okay. Oh, this is too cute. Mystical mermaid pen, black ballpoint pen. Where did you guys find? Oh, TJ Maxx. That's the answer. TJ Maxx, people. Oh my gosh, this is great. Oh my goodness. What else? What else? What else? What else? Ooh. Ah. Methinks I feel something inside. What could it be? Mermaid Off Duty, Bath and Body Works. Oh my gosh, you guys got, you got everything. Oh, it's a mermaid holder for the hand sanitizer. Oh my gosh, what else is in here? What else, what else, what else? More hand sanitizer. I'm really a mermaid. Surf and Sands antibacterial hand gel. Mermaid hair, don't care, sea salt hair mist. Because, you know, we mermaids need to care for our hair. Hand and body cream. Sea salt hand and body cream. This is awesome, you guys. And they know I go through a lot of hand sanitizer being a therapist. Holy moly, do I ever. Oh my gosh. What is this? White Barn? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, pretty. It's like agate. Ooh, smell the deliciousness. Oh, it smells lovely. You're all gonna have to just trust me on that. Like a like a wonderful sea. Seaside scent. Oh, something else delicately wrapped. Whatever could it be? Oh, Aunt Mary and Aunt Lucy, you guys. You guys are so sweet. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Mermaid at Heart. The candle holder. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. You guys know, oh my gosh, there's more. Seriously? Like there can't be any more, right? That's it, okay. This is the last piece in the Mermaid Treasure gift box. Oh, mermaid paper clips. Because how can you, for one more day in your life, without mermaid paper clips. Seriously. This is awesome. Okay, bringing these into the new office. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate this. You get me. Love you.